At Higgins and Winter Dental Practice, as well as creating a nice practice and a welcoming atmosphere, we've got a great range of services, but we're keen to make sure that patients feel welcome when they come through the door.
We've always shared the same philosophy, Kev and I, of wanting to provide really very good, very high quality, sort of high-end dentistry. We realised that sort of putting something together and building a practice like this was something that we really wanted to do, and it's something that we're passionate about.
We're dedicated to the treatments that we do, and patient care is our main focus. So I'd like to think that patients are well looked after, the team's focused on training and skills to offer the best care that we can to everybody.
We see a whole range of patients on a day-to-day basis, from routine examinations, patients just wanting maintenance care, and the latest in preventive advice, to full implant treatments, patients wanting cosmetic techniques, and also facial rejuvenation.
Dentistry's always been an important part of patients' health and well-being, but now more people are focused on their smile, wanting to change their smile, how they look. Facial aesthetics is becoming as popular, wanting to reduce sort of lines and wrinkles as well as having a nice smile.
I came for a consultation with Kevin first of all, and he really asked me what I wanted my smile to look like, and my teeth used to cross over at the front, so that was my main concern, that I wanted them straightened, that I wanted them whitened, to get the best possible look.
I had the All-on-4 dental implant treatments just on the top row. I had a wobbly front tooth and it was irritating, and I also had gum disease. He went through a lot of different options with me, and I went home to think about it and talk it with my husband. I researched it all on the internet before I made a decision.
I was unfortunate enough to lose 3 front teeth in a football accident, and I was never totally happy knowing I had false teeth and hoping others didn't know I had false teeth. So I decided to have implant treatment.
I had a dental implant in my lower right jaw. I saw my dentist in Amble. They don't do implants, so I was referred. So I had this implant placed, and only last week I had the crown placed, and it is absolutely perfect.
It was worth it, yes, definitely, because I've had no problems whatsoever from the minute they were put in. I didn't feel awkward. Sometimes you feel your teeth are protruding or something, but nothing. Didn't change my exterior, my smile or anything, you know, or the position. So the dentist was very kind to me and gentle, and explained all this, what's going to happen. It's been a lovely experience altogether.
A lot of patients come in nervous or not sure what the outcome could be. Obviously the process that we take is a slow process in a way of discussion, fully inform them of what can be done, assessments throughout. And then at the end, obviously the before and after photographs, you know, is overwhelming for a lot of patients. We have had letters come back as well to say, you know, how pleased they are.
We get an amazing feeling when we look back on the before and after photographs, when we see the transformation that we've created for some of the patients, but the patients get it too. And it's a big kick and a big buzz for us when we see that smile getting even broader, when the patient becomes happier and feels more confident in the new smile.
The staff were amazing, absolutely amazing. They rang me up on the Monday. I had my surgery on the Friday. They rang me up on the Monday to see if I was fine. In fact, on the Monday I went shopping. I was so pleased with them. I took a selfie and sent it to them by email.
They are extremely polite and professional, very helpful and friendly. Nothing's too much trouble.
I think the most rewarding part of my job is to have the privilege of being able to follow patients through what is a journey. That they come in quite often anxious about treatment, concerned about the state that they're in terms of their dental health and their oral health. And to be able to sit down with these people and to be able to chat with patients about their options in a lovely environment like this, so that they can make an informed choice about the type of treatment that they want to pursue.
I think it's one of the best things I've ever done. It's certainly made me feel better about myself. And I think the best recommendation I can give for dental implants is that if I needed implants again, I would come immediately to see my dentist and say I need implants, and I would not lose one moment's sleep worrying about the procedure I had to go through. It's so good, it's absolutely brilliant, and it's made a difference to my life and made me feel better about myself.
To take somebody from a point where their confidence is very low, their self-esteem is very, very low, they don't smile. If they do smile, they smile with a hand in front of their mouth. To be able to take that person to a point where their self-confidence is improved, their appearance is improved, is wonderful and fantastic. And you see those results almost every day.
When he showed me in the mirror, it was so unbelievable. This is what I wanted. I wanted it for years, and I had the perfect smile.
Didn't think I'd ever describe a dental practice as salubrious, but I hate to say it, it's almost a pleasure to come to the dentist here.
I don't feel nervous about coming to the dentist. They make you feel at ease when you come in. It's just a lovely practice to come into.
10 out of 10. I would have absolutely no problems with it at all, saying it's 10 out of 10. Everybody has been so pleasant.